The living room is no longer just a place to sit. In 2026, it's a statement of lifestyle, elegance, and modern luxury. From sleek TV units to sculptural coffee tables and open, airy layouts, modern living rooms are becoming more refined, more functional, and more visually powerful than ever before. In this video, we'll explore elegant modern living room ideas for 2026, focusing on luxury TV units, designer coffee tables, and the interior design trends that define high-end homes. And if you're looking to transform your space professionally, Fixit Design is here to bring these ideas to life. The new definition of elegance in 2026 living rooms. Elegance in 2026 is all about clean lines, balanced proportions, and thoughtful simplicity. Instead of heavy decoration, modern living rooms now focus on refined materials, subtle textures, and purposeful furniture placement. Soft neutral tones, warm wood finishes, stone textures, and metallic accents come together to create a space that feels luxurious without being overwhelming. Every element has a reason to exist. Nothing feels extra, yet everything feels premium. Luxury TV unit designs that define the space. The TV unit has become the centerpiece of the modern living room. In 2026, TV units are no longer just functional storage, they are architectural features. Wall-mounted floating TV units with hidden storage create a clean, uncluttered look. Backlit panels, marble finishes, fluted wood, and matte textures add depth and sophistication. Integrated shelving, concealed wiring, and seamless cabinetry give the space a hotel-like finish. At Fixit Design, TV unit designs are customized to match your room's size, layout, and lifestyle, ensuring beauty and functionality go hand in hand. Coffee tables as statement pieces. In modern luxury living rooms, the coffee table is no longer an afterthought. It's a design statement that anchors the seating area. For 2026, organic shapes, rounded edges, and sculptural forms are leading the trend. Materials like marble, glass, solid wood, and metal combinations create a striking yet elegant look. Layered coffee tables or nested designs add flexibility while maintaining visual interest. When styled correctly, the coffee table becomes a focal point that elevates the entire living room aesthetic. Furniture layout and open, airy balance. Elegant living rooms in 2026 embrace open layouts with intentional spacing. Furniture is arranged to encourage conversation, comfort, and natural flow rather than crowding the room. Sofas with low profiles, slim armrests, and soft upholstery keep the space visually light. Accent chairs add personality without overpowering the design. The key is balance. Every piece complements the next, creating a calm and cohesive environment that feels luxurious and inviting. Lighting that enhances luxury. Lighting plays a crucial role in defining modern elegance. In 2026 living rooms, layered lighting is essential. Soft ceiling lights create ambient glow, while wall sconces, LED strips, and floor lamps add depth and drama. Warm lighting tones enhance textures and finishes, making the room feel cozy yet sophisticated. Proper lighting transforms even a simple living room into a luxury designer space. Textures, colors, and finishing touches. Modern living rooms are moving away from flat designs and embracing rich textures. Think plush rugs, textured cushions, soft curtains, and tactile wall finishes. Neutral color palettes dominate, but subtle contrasts, like black accents, gold details, or dark wood, add character and depth. Artwork, decorative objects, and greenery are used sparingly, allowing the room to breathe while still feeling curated and elegant. Why choose Fixit Design? At Fixit Design, modern luxury living rooms are designed with precision, creativity, and attention to detail. From TV units and custom furniture to complete interior styling, every project is tailored to reflect your taste and lifestyle. Elegant modern living rooms in 2026 are all about simplicity with impact. Luxury TV units, statement coffee tables, balanced layouts, and refined finishes come together to create spaces that feel stylish, comfortable, and future-ready. If you're planning to upgrade your living room and want a design that truly stands out, Fixit Design is your trusted partner in modern interior excellence. Because luxury isn't about excess, it's about design done right.